The provided HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code represents a fully functional feedback and testimonial system for a tourism-themed website called Every Sunday, which allows users to view testimonials from other customers, submit their own feedback with a rating and review, and interact with a dynamic and responsive interface, and the whole program can be explained by carefully analyzing each section. The HTML structure, embedded CSS styles for responsiveness, and the JavaScript logic for interactivity and data handling. Beginning with the HTML, the document is declared with doctype HTML and language set to English, including essential metadata like character encoding, UTF-8, and viewport for mobile responsiveness, while the head links external resources such as a favicon, font awesome CDN for icons, and main.css for global styles, and also defines a style block containing custom CSS specific to this page. The body is structured into a header, main, and footer section, with the header containing a nav navigation bar styled with a .container class, displaying the brand logo, navigation links to home, destination, feedback, and pricing, as well as login/logout/card options managed through a #login container div where icons from Font Awesome represent user account and shopping cart, and a responsive navigation menu. Responsive nav, with a hamburger bar icon, FA bars, ensures mobile adaptability. The main content begins with a section of class.feedback fade-in, introducing the feedback system with a heading "What our customers say about us," followed by a #testimonials main container that holds the testimonial grid, #testimonial grid, and a feedback form. Feedback form. The testimonial grid is styled as a card-based layout, display, grid, which adapts responsively to screen sizes. 3 columns on desktops, 2 columns on tablets, 1 column on small screens. And it initially shows a loading spinner, loader.svg, until testimonials are fetched dynamically from a mock API server, mock-every-sunday-server.onrender.com/testimonials, while the .feedback form is positioned absolutely at the bottom of the testimonial section, centered horizontally, styled with a dark background, rounded corners, and white borders, containing fields such as name, rating, numeric input between 1 and 5, and a review text area, along with a submit feedback button, .btn, which triggers JavaScript logic for posting new feedback. CSS inside style defines extensive styling rules, such as positioning. Menu btn for a hamburger icon, feedback padding and typography, #testimonials main minimum height and spacing. Feedback form alignment, #testimonial grid card layout with hover effects, testimonial card styles including background color, box shadows, large semi-transparent quote icons in the background, circular avatar images, and text formatting for names, ratings, and reviews, and media queries. Handle responsive design by switching testimonial grids from 3 to 2 to 1 column, adjusting feedback form positioning and size, resizing text, and enabling hamburger navigation menus for smaller screens, ensuring usability across desktops, tablets, and mobiles. The footer mirrors other site sections with branding, navigation links, newsletter subscription box, search box with input and button, copyright statement, and social media links, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, ensuring consistent site-wide branding. The interactivity of the feedback system is powered by the script block at the end, where a JavaScript object maps avatar IDs, 1 to 10, to avatar image file paths, ./assets/avatar1.png to /assets/avatar10.png, which are used to dynamically assign avatars to testimonials. Variables are declared to target DOM elements like URL, endpoint for testimonials, testimonials_main, grid container, form inputs, name, rating, review text area, the submit button, and the loader. When the window loads, window.addEventListener, load, the loader is displayed, testimonials are fetched via fetch testimonials, URL, and the logged-in user is retrieved from local storage, getUser, function, which extracts the user ID, fetches the user object from the server, and pre-fills the feedback form with the user's name and avatar index, ensuring personalized feedback submissions. The post data function handles feedback submission. It collects form values, constructs a user data object with name, rating, review, and IMG avatar from the logged-in user, sends it via fetch with post method and JSON body to the testimonials API, resets form inputs upon success, shows a success message via display message. Though that helper function is not defined in the provided snippet, it is presumably in main.js, refetches, and re-renders testimonials so the new feedback appears instantly, while errors are caught in a catch block which logs them and displays a warning message. The fetch testimonials URL function retrieves all testimonials with a GET request, parses the response JSON, and calls display testimonials data, which hides the loader, clears the testimonial grid, and iterates through testimonial objects, each processed by create testimonials card that builds a div card element with a quote icon, fa quote left, user avatar, if available in obj. Otherwise hidden, user's name and rating, displayed as number plus star emoji, and review text, then appends the card to the grid, resulting in a fully dynamic testimonial section populated with live data. Overall, the program achieves multiple functionalities: responsive navigation and layout, dynamic testimonial loading from an external API, real-time submission of user feedback with automatic re-rendering, avatar assignment from a predefined set, pre-filling user identity from local storage, and styling optimized for both aesthetics and usability, making it a self-contained feedback management interface that enhances customer